Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add website in Google Analytics. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Adding your website to Google Analytics is a great way to track and analyze your site's performance. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, sign in to your Google Analytics. Then create an account. If you don't have an account, click on the Start Measuring. If you already have an account, go to the Admin section. In the Admin section, click on Create Property. Enter a name for your property, then select your reporting time zone and currency. Add data stream. Click on Data Streams under the property you created, then select Web. Enter your website URL and the name and name the stream. Get tracking code. After creating the data stream, you will get a tracking code. Copy the code. Add tracking code to your website. Paste the tracking code into the head section of every page on your website. If you use a CMS like WordPress, you can add the code using a plugin or directly in theme settings. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.